I'm Jess, I'm a registered dietitian, and we're going to talk about Ensure High Protein Nutrition Shake Vanilla today. More protein than the original Ensure, and less calories than Ensure Plus. Has 16 grams of protein and 160 calories. All the vitamins and minerals you need. It's low fiber. Sometimes you have to go for low fiber if you're constipated because that volume just kind of stays in there. But anyways, enough talk about constipation. Let's talk about the taste. The vanilla is really pleasant. It's smooth, not overpowering or chalky, and it's not too sweet. It's not like a cake vanilla. It's more mild. When you have high protein in a drink, especially this tiny size, it can help you stay full longer because protein is digested slower than carbs. Creamy and smooth, it feels like a treat, like a dessert. So this is really good for older adults that are recovering from an illness or injury. Adults in general that want to have a little bit more protein in their day but don't want the excess calories. Someone working out, someone healing, someone looking for something just to meet their needs. So this would be something I would recommend for a lot of people, but those two people I think will go for this. Make sure to shake it up. Cheers. That is absolutely delicious. Yep, that's like cereal milk after eating Fruit Loops. I love it. Super vanilla, so highly recommend. Tato likes it. She's licking her lips here.